Recording.
Hey, good morning. Here's another one. We're back on Murphy Road, Old Murphy Highway, heading towards Franklin, North Carolina. September 20th. It is a little bit before 9 o'clock in the morning. And my last video, it was 60 degrees. It is now 55 degrees. We are on a mountain. And it is a moist 55 degrees. I'm fogging up and the cold is just eating through my leathers. But the sun is out and it is going to be a beautiful day today. And if you did not watch my other video, so far I have seen more law enforcement, mainly highway patrol, than I typically see on a weekend. Ticket sales must be down for the month. This road is dirty. This road is very dirty. The last road was very dirty. I'm thinking they got some of the rain that I didn't get. This road is dirty. Oh, it just warmed up. Yeah, I'm really fogged up. That is how quick the temperature changes in the mountains. You'll be on one side of the mountain, it'll be icy cold, and as soon as you get to the other side, it'll warm up 5, 6, 7 degrees. It's kind of like if you've ridden the Tirahela Skyway. When you jump on the Skyway in North Carolina, it is typically 10 degrees cooler than when you get to the Tellico Plains side. It is always warmer in Tellico Plains. And not only in the summertime, it's warmer in the wintertime also. But yeah, I'm thinking they got some rain last week. We haven't had rain in a month and a half. And we finally got a little bit, I mean a little tiny bit, on like Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. Every day is the same for me, so I apologize. It was nice to see rain. In Murphy, we didn't get a heavy rain. We just got just like a constant kind of drizzly, kind of just crappy day, but it was a good soaking rain that the ground really needed. Sometimes when we get those flash flooding thunderstorms, all it does is damage everything, destroys the driveway, washes everything from the mountains down onto the roads. Definitely warming up on this side of the mountain. Kamala sucks, ain't that the truth? I think that is the only Kamala flag, sign, banner I have seen in western North Carolina. So that gives me hope for my neighborhood. I hope your neighborhood's the same, because the last thing we need is Kamala Harris as president and some irresponsible drunk driver for vice president. We won't even get to his stolen valor. Tim Walz. I'm pretty sure Tim Walz, the only reason he joined the Army National Guard because he enjoyed looking at boys naked in the locker room when he was in high school, and he knew he could shower with other guys, dudes, in the Army. And then he became a football coach. And I guarantee you, as the football coach, that jackass was probably the shower room monitor so he could watch naked boys again. But I don't know that to be fact, but I would assume that I'm probably right. He just looks like a kid toucher. Another road. I rarely see traffic on this road, but passing zone, I'll just go around them. That was a very convenient passing zone. I'm on the 848 today. We are going to turn 71,000 miles in about 2 hours. When I filled up for gas, I was at 70,900 miles. So by the next gas fill up, I will be at 71,000 miles. If any of y'all watching this come to the mountains on vacation, you guys want to ride, hit me up on a Saturday or Sunday. If I'm available, I do not have a problem leading some people through the mountains. If you're a bunch of squids though, don't call me. Yeah, don't reach out. Can't ride twisty roads at the speed limit and you're hard on the brakes going into a turn and then hand fisting coming out of the curve on the straightaways, yeah, I don't want to ride with that. But if you're a skilled smooth rider and you won't do stupid crap that gets us tickets all day long, I'm all in. I'll go for a ride. Alright, we're coming back to 64 on our way to Franklin. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching this. I'm out.